Hey everybody, tonight our local DEF CON chapter DC214 is having their monthly meetup. We don't have any presentations today, so this is just an open invite to anybody who would like to come and network and socialize, and hopefully I will see you there. Anyway, here are 3 of your hacking headlines within the last 24 hours. First, yesterday was Microsoft's Patch Tuesday. They dropped 57 fixes, including 3 0 days. But the real story, folks, is the sheer scale of the vulnerabilities. Okay, in 2025 alone, Microsoft patched a whopping 1,100 different vulnerabilities. That's huge. It's a 12% increase from the previous year. And this is the 2nd year straight in which they've done that. And this is only the 3rd time they've ever done that in the history of this company. The standout vulnerabilities this month include 62221, which is basically a bug in the Windows Cloud Files mini filter driver. And it essentially allows attackers to escalate their privileges to system, basically giving them complete control. 2 other vulnerabilities, 54100, which is a PowerShell remote code execution flaw, and 64671, which is a GitHub Copilot remote code execution. Both of these vulnerabilities had proof of concepts floating around in the wild. So everybody, listen up. Patch now or prepare to tell your boss why your network is speaking Russian, okay? Speaking of Russians, the DOJ just took the gloves off in the East-West cyber proxy war, folks. The US has indicted a Ukrainian national, Victoria Dubrovina, for helping Russian-linked cyber groups, specifically CAR and No Name 57. These aren't script kiddie groups, folks. These are GRU adjacent hacktivist fronts. The feds say that she helped these groups coordinate DDoS and other disruptive cyber attacks on water utilities, election infrastructure, and energy networks. But not just in the US, but across a ton of allied nations as well. Dubrovina was previously extradited for her previous association with CAR, and now she's being hit with additional charges to No Name 57, which, if you weren't aware, No Name 57 has been hammering Western targets all year. So this is a rare move. I mean, the US is drawing a straight line between hacktivism and state-backed cyber sabotage, and they're calling it out loud and clear. All right, our last story of today, beware the Spiderman Phishing kit. No, not Peter Parker. This is phishing as a service, okay? And it's nasty. Spiderman lets attackers spin up pixel-perfect clones of legit banking sites. We're talking about like Deutsche Bank, ING, PayPal, and even cloning crypto wallets. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just steal usernames and passwords, it's also stealing real-time 2FA codes, SMS one-time passwords, and even, get this, Germany's Phototan. I had to actually look this one up. Phototan is a QR-based visual authentication system that banks use for high-value transactions. Spiderman can snatch your seed phrase, your crypto keys, and drain your wallets before you even know what hit you. So anyway, Spiderman already has over 750 paying customers on different cybercrime forums. So beware. Check your URLs. Don't click on shady links and stop entering sensitive information, only unless you know if the site is legit and real. So that wraps up today's cyber stories. This is Andy Thompson signing off.